Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this video I'm going to compare the Realme GT2 device versus iQOO 9 SE device. Which phone is really the best option to buy? The main reason I'm uploading this video is because right now there's a sale going on in the Amazon website on the iQOO 9 SE where you can actually buy this device iQOO 9 SE for about 29,990. After 4,000 discount is available right now in the Amazon website. But just yesterday the Realme did announce that they're gonna release the Realme GT2 device very soon, coming soon. That's what they did teaser as well, as you can clearly see here. So this device will be releasing next month, May. So that's what we can actually expect. Now, few users they're kind of confused. Should they wait for the Realme GT2 device or should they buy the iQOO 9 SE device? So that's what this video I'll try to clarify a few doubts what you guys are actually having between these both phones. So first thing is that both phones are coming with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So exactly same Snapdragon 888 processor will be used between these both phones. As you can see, even that's something to be noted. So again, the performance wise, you may not be able to notice much difference between these both phones exactly regarding the performance because of same Snapdragon 888 processor, and that's kind of common thing between these both phones. It's like same thing from the iQOO 7 device versus Realme GT Neo 2. Both are Snapdragon 870. If you ask me which is the best one for the gaming, I would prefer the iQOO 7 device because of few reasons. First, you can actually play high refresh rate games in the FunTouch UI and iQOO phones without any issues. Still, the Realme did not fix that high refresh rate games. Even after the stable update, we cannot play high refresh rate games, unfortunately. That's first reason is there. So, and the second reason would be regarding the game frame interpolation and a lot of other advantages for the gamers especially. That's what the iQOO phones they do target, mainly the gamers. So they do provide plenty of option, game frame interpolation, everything. This game frame interpolation is present in the Realme GT Neo 3, but it's not present in the Realme GT2 device. So that's another something to be noted, friends. And even the game frame interpolation, definitely this will help to boost the FPS from 60 to 90. So slightly advantage for the gamers, I would say the iQOO 9 SE device. So that's something to be noted. Next thing is about the display. Display wise, the phone has got 120Hz E4 AMOLED panel in the Realme GT2 device. What about this one, the iQOO 9 SE? Which has got normal AMOLED panel, so which is not the E4, but still it's kind of pretty good. Right now I do have the Realme GT Neo 2 with the same AMOLED panel is used, E4 same. So I did compare between these both phones regarding the display. Overall, I did not observe much major difference. That's something, I did not observe major difference. But another thing, Netflix HDR content will be supported in the iQOO phones. Yes, that's something is very important for few users. HDR is supported in the iQOO phones, which is not supported in the Realme smartphones, in the Netflix. Try to understand. That's about the multimedia thing, in case if you're more into the multimedia stuff. So watching content and everything. The iQOO 7 can play HDR videos in the Netflix, no issues. But Realme smartphones, they cannot play HDR in the Netflix. So I'm not sure when they will fix or whether they will fix it or not. No idea about that. And other thing is about the MEMC feature is also present. As I said, game frame interpolation 60 FPS to 90 FPS. That's really good advantage in the display wise. So display wise, slightly better advantage, like HDR will be supported and high refresh rate games you can play in this device. Gaming also slight advantage. And advantage for the Realme GT2 is that 5000 mAh battery capacity, where this iQOO 9 SE has got 4500 mAh of battery capacity in this device, and 66 watt flash charge, 65 watt super dot charger. Realme GT2, I think it takes about close to 36 minutes or 37 minutes of time. I'm telling based on my experience with the Realme GT Neo 2. Realme GT Neo 2 also takes, with a 5000 mAh of battery, takes about 36 and 37 minutes. That's very fast. iQOO 9 SE takes about close to time, I think 40 minutes of time. A little bit difference is there, but overall if you want better battery backup, Realme GT2 is the one advantage which you got right now in terms of the battery capacity. So fast charging wise, also slight advantage because Realme GT2 with the same kind of flash charging speed, but still more capacity, it can charge in very less time. That's something to be noted. Regarding the camera wise, Sony IMX766 OIS camera is present, and iQOO 9 SE also got a very good OIS camera which is present, 48 megapixel camera lens. So both cameras are pretty good, I would say, regarding the testing, but I need to do the real life testing as well. Very soon I'll try to do in case if I'm planning to buy this device. Overall, these are the few differences, friends, between these both phones, Realme GT2 versus iQOO 9 SE device. So final conclusion is that if you want pretty good battery backup, And if you want Realme UI, like if you don't like Fun Touch UI and iQOO, this kind of UI and everything, if you don't like it's up to your personal opinion, friends. I don't have any objection in that. So if you want more battery backup, if you want Realme UI, and then go for the Realme GT 2 device, which is also like paper tech master design. So design can be another slight advantage in the Realme GT 2 device, but the thing is that the price right now, iQOO and SE you can actually get for about 29,990. But what about the Realme GT2 device? So the expected price is somewhere around close to 32,000. That's what the expected price after using bank discount cards and everything. So overall, maybe if you want the Realme UI and if you want more battery backup, wait for this phone. If you don't want, like if you want really very good experience for the gaming, if you want very good experience with the gaming and HDR content and high refresh rate gameplay support and game frame interpolation boosting the FPS, so this is not the gimmick. Don't think this is a gimmick. This is not the gimmick, which works absolutely fine. I tested in this all the games, which is really very good. So if you want those kind of gaming experience, then go for the iQOO 9 SE device. So this is a complete conclusion, friends, between these both phones, comparing which phone to buy. And if you're okay to wait for the Realme GT2, let's see what will the price, then we can decide better, like depending on the price as well. But meanwhile, gaming wise, multimedia HDR content, iQOO and SE, more battery backup and Realme UI, and paper type of design if you want, wait for the Realme GT2 device. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.